Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation doing another unboxing video. And today we got our hands on the Fire HD8. Go ahead and show you all the neat information on the back. The box itself is pretty slick. Let's go ahead and get this open. As you can see, it pulls out in nice, smooth motions. Alright, guess this is the intro guide. Yep. Warranty information on the back. A welcome guide. All right, seems to take a pretty standard Kindle charger. It does have USB-C, so that's pretty good. Amazon's finally getting with the newer standards. As you can see, it's pretty slick. Doesn't feel too cheap or anything. We'll go ahead and give it a try here in a little bit. But that's the unboxing video. Thank you guys for watching.